So today we are at a new place, and this is a outdoor gazebo. Right, an outdoor gazebo without an entertainment unit is worthless. Right, so today I'm going to introduce to you the Zebozap Swivelling Outdoor Gazebo TV Mount. It's a product from Zebozap. It's an outdoor product, and today I am going to unbox this product and mount it onto the gazebo. We're going to unbox this product from Zebozap right now. So when I open the box, okay, you have a few things included in this product. And for your information, this product is a no drill TV mount. So they have included these straps, and it has these ratchets, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this. Alright, next you have the main pillar unit. Alright, this is the one where you place your TV, and inside here you have some wall plugs and also some screws for you to mount this baby onto a wall if you want to drill holes to mount this, but you don't have to actually. And they have included all these screws, okay, the attachments, the washers, the spacers, and yeah, this is the best part right here. Okay, this TV mount comes with the tools needed to mount this TV. They have this very cute little wrench, they have Allen key or hex key, right, and all the screws needed, washers and everything. So what else do we have here? And there you have the main pillar unit. Alright, this main pillar unit, actually the whole set is outdoor rated. Alright, it's outdoor rated, so you could leave this TV mount outdoors even in rain. It is waterproof. So yeah, and then you have this is the VESA unit. Right, you place this onto your TV later, and I'm going to show you the whole process of mounting this. And I have a 32-inch TV right here, so I'm going to mount this TV onto this gazebo and show you how to do it. Let's go. I just want to explain to you that to mount this TV onto the pillar, right, you only need this tool right here. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and you only need this to mount this TV. So the very first step that you must do is to remove the rubber bands from the straps, right? So these are the ratchet straps given together with the mount, and the straps are already attached to the ratchet, alright, so you don't have to worry about that. So you have this ratchet straps, two of them, and take out this main pillar unit. Right, what you gotta do first is, okay, these ratchet straps, they are labeled. Let me just show you here. Okay, there is this circle right here, the round shape right here. Okay, place it above, and here you gotta place through the holes that has been given and put it in here and take it out this way. Alright, and do the same to here, and there you go. So you just gotta pull this all to the end first. It's a bit stuck. Let me just do this. There you go. Then you do the same to the bottom ratchet strap. Okay, fine, for the circle. Make sure it's facing the front. Right, this circle right here, make sure it's facing front. Just put it in, take it out here, in here, and out here. So there you go. So and then you just pull this. Okay. So about the gazebo I have here, it's an outdoor gazebo. It's made out of concrete. It has a roof on top, and I'm going to mount my TV onto this part right here. Okay, don't worry about you watching the TV and everything, because this TV mount is a full motion TV mount. I'm going to show you that also later. Okay, so then what you do is you just place this pillar unit onto the pillar like this, and then usually what I do is this ratchet strap, I place it behind here so that you won't be able to see the ratchet strap at the side or what. So I'm going to go to the other side, and you do the top ratchet first. Alright, take this out and hold this. Can you come over to this side? Okay, and then, okay, how do you do this, right? So this is the circle just now, okay? Put it through the hole of the ratchet, like this, right? Put it through the hole and pull the strap. Okay, you could do this alone. If you have any help at home, you could ask for help. Okay, make sure the straps are straight. Alright, so straps are straight, not straight, okay. Okay, I'll do it again. Circle on top, put it through the ratchet here, and pull the ratchet. The strap, sorry, not the ratchet, okay. And then for this ratchet, it's very easy. You just pull the strap like this with one hand, and with the other hand, you just make sure the straps are tight by pulling the ratchet. Okay, there you go. Now the pillar mount unit is already fixed to the pillar. Alright, as you can see here, this pillar unit is not straight, right? Don't you worry. Okay, you just have to make sure it's straight before placing the second ratchet. Okay, so now it's straight, and now you place the second ratchet. I'm going to do the same thing, exact same thing. Place it behind here. Bring the other strap, alright, and do the same to the bottom ratchet. Now we have already placed this onto the pillar, and what is the next step? Alright, the next step here, you just take this unit right here. Okay, the holes are already given here, and the screws are here. So what you do is you just place this into the screws like this, line it, and just place it like that. And after that, okay, this one, okay, you're gonna use this cute little wrench right here. Oops, okay, sorry. So you're gonna use this wrench and the screws that has already been given. Okay, you gotta use these screws and also the washers that has already been given in the mount. Okay, so first place the washers onto the screws, the 3 little screws. Okay, one more. And then place these bolts. I'm gonna just use my hand first before I use the cute little wrench. So just now I told you that you only have to use a screwdriver to mount your TV onto the pillar. Right, what's the use of this screwdriver? Let me show you guys. Okay, so you're only going to use the screwdriver when you are going to place the VESA mount onto the back of the TV. Right, this is the VESA mount, specially made for this TV mount. Right, it's a very special VESA mount. Right, and you're going to place this onto the back of the TV. Just place this VESA mount onto the back of the TV. These washers are all already given with the VESA mount, the TV mount. Alright, so place this onto the VESA mount like this, and all the holes are already given here. See, it just fits in. Right, so then you take these screws, which is also given. Okay, and I'm going to place all 4 screws first. Now, this arrow is facing this way, but don't you worry, okay? Because this TV mount is a full motion TV mount. You don't have to worry about that, okay? So I'm going to place this TV mount onto this TV to the TV mount, okay? What you can do here, okay, come closer to have a look here, okay? So this part right here, okay, it attaches in to this lock. You just slide the TV into the mount like this, okay? So don't worry, the TV is now vertical, don't you worry. So what you're going to do next is take the Allen key or the hex key. These are 2 screws given together with the mount, and place it here, this small corner right here, and there's one more on the other side. Okay, I'm just going to place it there. Okay, and use this Allen key to tighten the screw. Okay, this is also given with the mount, so you don't have to worry, guys. Then you just tighten this. And do the same to the other screw. We have done placing the TV onto the mount. Right now, just now you saw that I mounted this TV in a vertical way, but don't you worry, because this TV mount is a full motion TV mount, you could just turn your TV the right way up. Come closer. So I'm going to show you the best thing about this TV mount. It has a beautiful motion. Right, number one, you could turn this TV 360 degrees. Right, and you have a swivel function. Alright, swivel function where you can swivel 45 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. And many people are worried about the height of the TV. Well, here you don't have to worry about that, because you also have a tilt function. Right, you can tilt the TV according to your eye level. So that is the best things about this TV mount, and you should probably get this TV mount right now, guys. Okay, so get it now from our website zebozap.com or even through Shopify.